Hello guys, we started the new session of the geology geology of Pakistan classification rocks based on the plate tectonic. So firstly, I will be give the presentation of the of Pakistan, their rocks classification, and then we move to sedimentary basins. And in sedimentary basin, what is the tectonism, and then in deep in the sedimentary rock, and every edge sedimentary rock we have studied in their environment of deposition and their tectonic relationship. So, geology of Pakistan classification rock based on the plate tectonic. From Pakistan is very strong geology insight. If you see, it's a very mountainous region because it's a northwest part of the Indian plate, where the conversion is the most converted place, where the thrust fault are more and the strike and transform fault is more, but no normal fault because of the convergence zones. Pakistan is boundary share with India in towards the east, Afghanistan toward west, North China, and the Iran is the west south. So Pakistan have different environmental condition. You see, it's very hot in the southern place, while in the northern place it's very hot and frozen environment due to its latitudinal place, for example, between 25 to 37 degree. So due to different environments or different climate, rocks are exposed in Pakistan. You see in very green and beautiful rocks are also present. You can see in the plateaus in Pakistan. You see in gorges of the Cretaceous strata. You see in very cold and snowy rocks are present of the metamorphic igneous rocks. You see in the desert arid climate of the in Pakistan, you see the Jurassic rock are present. Basically, this black shale is the oxygen anoxic event between the Cretaceous and Jurassic. So in Pakistan, the northern block is Hindu Kush, Karakoram, Pamir, and Kiai, which is the Sumerian blocks cut from the Gondwana, and they first collide with the Eurasian plain, and then the uh, southern parts are moves, and you can see the one block, the sedimentary Indian plate rocks are then converged to the northward of the Eurasian plate of the Sumerian blocks. So KIA, what is KIA? KIA is the intra-oceanic subduction, which formed due to the intra-oceanic subduction is the island arc, which is also present in Pakistan. So these are the Paleothethes remnant in this area sedimentary package. Uh, Paleothethes or new tethys means when the Sumerian blocks are cut. In the north there are Paleothethes, in the Sumerian block, in the south is new tethys. uh, Pakistan shows a major faults, as you see it's a major thrust fault and strike slip fault or transform fault because it's a northwestern convergence zone of the Indian plate. As you see also, there is a ophiolites, which is the oceanic route abducted due to the continent collision. So this is the various ophiolites present in Pakistan. So, for example, this Jijal and Sepatophilites, they converge north of the KIA and the Indian plate, so they expose like chromite, and this is the serpentine dunite. The north west region of the ophiolite of Waziristan and Kharam ophiolites, they are formed due to the collision of Indian with Afghan and Laurasia continental part of the Sumerian blocks. So these are the different rocks exposing ophiolites in Pakistan of the Waziristan and Kharam ophiolite. So these are the ophiolite of the Bela Zob ophiolite of the western margin of Pakistan with collide of the Afghan block and the Indian plate tectonism. So these are the various rocks exposed in Pakistan. You can see sedimentary package also present. Igneous rock are also present. Ophiolites are also present. Igneous and sedimentary in this part. And these are the Indian craton, which is the Precambrian or metamorphic rock of the high grade. or igneous crystalline rock, which is present in the Indian Shield. So the northern igneous rocks are classified on the basis of various like high silica, low silica, metamorphic. So you can see is it is a mapping view. It's a cross-sectional view of the KIA various rocks of the ultra basalt, amphibolites, and volcano-sedimentary rock are exposed in the north of Pakistan. This is the field pictures of different North Pakistan of the different igneous metamorphic. For example, pegmatite vein. This is the Z type of folding. This is this nice in the igneous rock Nicosutiaraca. It's a foliated zone because it's near to convergence, so that's why all rocks are foliated of the volcanic rock. This is the mafic basement rock, and this is the tectonism of the metamorphic rock, which are present in the Pakistan of the north side. This is the metamorphic different fishes present in the Pakistan. You see the green shales, blue shales, ecologite, which is the high pressure mineral, and this is the high temperature and pressure mineral. So this is the field picture of different metamorphic rock. You see the S-type folding, which shows the counterclockwise rotation of the Indian plate is also S-type folding. You see the aragonite in blue schist. You see the bedded marble. You see the myelonetic metamorphic rock. So these are the all metamorphic rock which are present in this region. Now we come to sedimentary package, which start from Precambrian to Tectonic content evaporites, carbonate, clastic depositional range from terrestrial margin marine to deep marine. So you can see the Paleocene rocks, you can see the Jurassic rocks, you can see Permian, Cretaceous carbonates, you can see the Cambrian, clastic, Precambrian, salt. All types of rocks are present in this upper and lower Indus basin of Pakistan. So due to this variation of igneous and sedimentary rock, you have seen the economic importance also in Pakistan. For example, like mineral resources, you have found like coal, natural gas in present sedimentary package, like gemstone also present in very hard and metamorphic or igneous rocks. So this is the different mineral industrial rocks or mineral deposit in Pakistan. This is the different gemstone due to the this conversion of the igneous and metamorphic exposure. Various different beautiful gemstone you will be seen in Pakistan. Next presentation is the sedimentary or rocks exposed in Pakistan. So we start our journey from the sedimentary rocks, and then we and deep in their tectonism, sea level changes from Precambrian to recent. Thank you for your attention. We will be meeting in next video.